What's up, everyone? Oh, wait, it's more like yo, 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 yo. Mikey here. I did that a little bit different because I got a little announcement. So, the babies, I'm sorry if you hear them. Um, Donnie B all day is gonna have a giveaway, and I offer to throw in my sharpening job. Hello. Hello. Thank you for visiting. Cookie Fookie. So, go over to Donnie B all day. Tell him I sent you and subscribe to him. I love that dude. He's been an awesome viewer, friend, and today I'm gonna be sharpening the biggest knife I ever had. Okay, the fuck? It's a little Swiss Army knife, and I'm gonna do something different with this. I'm only gonna use this stone. And I want to see what I can get out of it. I'm sorry if you hear the babies. They're being crackheads. I want to see what I can get out of it because, you know, you don't need much to sharpen a knife. All you need, oh, I'm sorry, is knowledge. And if you have knowledge, you can do anything. And if you don't have knowledge, there's only YouTube. I I just got home about half hour ago. I took them out, made myself a cup of coffee. I'm sorry, I'm using medium diamond. I think it's ultra sharp. Um, you can find it on Amazon. You can find anything on Amazon now. But what we can't find is a billionaire helping other people. I'm just saying. I'm not gonna go there. on the first, you know, strokes, I'm not counting. I'm not worrying about, even numbers. I just want to build a bird. Here. So we got the bird on both sides, and now start making it small. I'm sorry, I keep. I didn't cut myself. I would never do that. Okay. My back hurts. I'm doing good. I gotta be careful because of my hand. I my dad just got a ride on lawnmower, and I tried it, and the steel wheel like ripped on my hands. Hey there, Pookie. Don't be fighting. You can probably see I'm on the bed. My babies. Sometimes my stupid babies. And want to give a little shout out to my brother, Scab. I know, he's having a hard time, kind of rough, you know, and I just want to say I love you, brother. I know what it's like, 'cause my brother, um, it'll be like 3 years since my brother overdosed. Um, so yeah, my fault. Like I told you in the private message, I can't believe my brother's been gone for almost 3 years. And yeah. Um, sorry about that. Um, I I might do a video on my brother. I don't know. We'll see. So we about done. Hey, no fighting on the bed. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm biting. Let me see. Thank you, baby, for the hair. Uh, I doubt there'd be hair whittling. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see that, but it bites. It bites. And that's not with strapping. So, let me. I got a strap right here. I'm gonna strap it up a little bit. I don't really use a strap anymore because if I strap it to where I get it from the stones, I don't I make the dough knife. The knife dough. Yeah. Where the hell go? Okay, let's see. Hey. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. So, so I don't know if you can see that, but you can't. But whittle that, and that's off of the medium stone, and you know me, I don't mind cutting my arm is. That is, that's sharp. It even tree tops a little bit. So I'm gonna leave this like it is because I like a little, like a real good toothy edge for like little knives like that. Toothy edges last longer than slicey. So go check out my guy Donnie B all day. Um, I thank you, Donnie, for letting me do that. Um, Dad, I love you, quiet boy, and I love all of you. Um, if you want to get in touch with me, go to send me an email at saberbalsy24@gmail.com. And you can send me, like, if you want knife sharpening, all that good stuff. So, I love all of you. I'm sorry for making this video long, but you can't rush half-ass perfection. So, I love all of you, and like I always say, never give up, never surrender, and give loyalty and respect to everyone, especially your beautiful self. If you want to see beautiful, just look in the mirror. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching.